Let's learn real English. Naturally, confidently, together.
Cindy, I almost went to work wearing two different shoes this morning.
No way. Really?
I'm serious. I was still half asleep.
Did anyone notice?
Luckily, I noticed before I left the house.
That was close.
It made me laugh, but I also realized I'm not a morning person.
I know exactly what you mean.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel.
Today, we're talking about something everyone does every day.
What's your morning routine?
I love this topic.
Me too. Can I ask you something?
Of course.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30. What about you?
Usually 7 o'clock, but sometimes I press the snooze button.
How many times?
Maybe 2 or 3 times.
Really?
I always tell myself just 5 more minutes.
And those 5 minutes become 20.
Exactly. That happens all the time.
When you finally get up, what's the first thing you do?
I open the curtains. I like seeing the sunlight.
That's a nice habit.
It helps me wake up. What about you?
I make my bed first.
Every morning?
Yes, it only takes a minute, but it makes my room look clean.
I should start doing that.
It's easier than people think.
After that, what do you do?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Same here. Cold water always wakes me up.
Me too. Then I drink a big glass of water.
Really? Before coffee?
Yes, I always drink water first.
That's a healthy habit. I usually drink water too. Then I make coffee.
Do you make coffee every morning?
Almost every day. I love the smell of fresh coffee.
I understand. I usually make tea instead.
Coffee wakes me up. Tea helps you relax.
Exactly. Everyone has a favorite morning drink.
Do you eat breakfast right away?
Not immediately. I usually get dressed first.
That makes sense. I do the same thing. Do you prepare your clothes the night before?
Sometimes, but not always.
What happens when you don't?
Well, that's when I spend 10 minutes looking for my favorite shirt.
That sounds familiar. Have you ever been late because you couldn't find something? Yes. It happened just last week. I couldn't find my wallet anywhere.
Really? Where was it?
It was in my jacket pocket. I forgot I changed jackets.
I've done that before.
I spent almost 15 minutes looking for it.
Did you leave home late?
Yes. I had to walk much faster than usual.
That's stressful.
Now, I always put my wallet, my keys, and my phone in the same place every night.
That's a smart habit. It saves a lot of time.
Exactly. Do you check your phone as soon as you wake up?
Not anymore.
Really? Why not?
Because I noticed something. When I looked at my phone first, I felt rushed.
That makes sense. So, what do you do instead?
I finish my morning routine first, then I check my messages.
I like that idea. I usually check the weather first,
Why?
so I know what to wear and whether I need an umbrella.
That's practical. I check the weather too, especially during the rainy season.
After your tea, what's next?
I prepare breakfast.
Do you cook every morning?
Most mornings, I like simple breakfasts.
Like what?
Toast, eggs, fruit, sometimes yogurt.
That sounds delicious. I usually eat oatmeal or cereal with milk.
Do you ever skip breakfast?
Not often. If I skip breakfast, I feel hungry before lunchtime.
I'm exactly the same. Breakfast gives me energy.
Do you eat alone or with your family?
Usually alone on weekdays, but on weekends, I enjoy breakfast with my family.
That sounds nice. Weekend breakfasts always feel more relaxing.
Absolutely. Nobody is in a hurry.
After breakfast, do you wash the dishes right away?
Yes, I don't like leaving dirty dishes.
Me neither. It only takes a few minutes.
Exactly. A clean kitchen makes me feel good.
After that, I brush my hair, put on my shoes, and get everything ready.
Do you double-check your bag before leaving?
Always. I check my wallet, my phone, my keys, and my water bottle.
That's a great routine. I also make sure I have everything.
Because forgetting something can ruin your whole morning.
You're right. Speaking of forgetting things, have you ever left home and then realized you forgot something important?
Oh, yes. That happened to me last month.
Really? What did you forget?
My lunch. I left it in the refrigerator.
No way. You made lunch and forgot to take it?
Exactly. I remembered when I was halfway to work.
What did you do?
Nothing. I couldn't go back, so I bought lunch that day.
I think we've all done something like that.
Have you ever forgotten anything important?
Yes, I once forgot my office ID.
Really? What happened?
I arrived at work, but I couldn't get into the building.
That must have been frustrating.
It was. Luckily, a coworker helped me.
That's nice. Since then, do you check everything before leaving?
Every single morning, I have a simple checklist.
What's on your checklist?
My phone, my wallet, my keys, my office ID, and my water bottle.
That's a great idea. Maybe I should make a checklist too.
It only takes a few seconds, but it saves a lot of trouble.
I agree. Do you leave home at the same time every day?
Usually, around 7:30. What about you?
I'm usually out the door by 7:45.
Do you drive to work?
Sometimes, but I usually take the train.
Do you enjoy your commute?
Most days. I like listening to music or an English podcast.
That's a great way to start the day.
It helps me wake up, and I learn something new.
I usually listen to relaxing music. It puts me in a good mood.
Do you ever feel stressed in the morning?
Sometimes, especially if I'm running late.
Me too. That's why I try to wake up a little earlier now.
Has it helped?
Definitely. I don't have to rush anymore. Everything feels calmer.
A peaceful morning really changes the whole day.
I couldn't agree more. When my morning starts well, I usually have a better day.
I'm the same. A good morning routine gives me more energy.
It also helps me stay organized.
Exactly. Small morning habits can make a big difference.
You're right. Actually, there's one more thing I always try to do before I leave home.
Really? What is it?
Before I leave home, I always look around my room one last time
Really? Why do you do that?
to make sure I didn't forget anything.
That's a smart habit.
It only takes a few seconds, but it gives me peace of mind.
What do you usually check?
My wallet, my phone, my keys, my work bag, and I make sure the lights are off.
I do something similar. I also check that I locked the windows.
Good idea. Safety is important.
Absolutely. Do you leave home as soon as you're ready?
Almost. Before I go, I always say goodbye to my family.
That's sweet.
Even if it's only, "Have a great day."
Small words can make people smile.
Exactly. What do you do before you walk out the door?
I take one deep breath.
Really?
Yes, it helps me feel calm. Then I smile and start my day.
I like that. Maybe I should try it.
You should. It only takes a moment.
When you're on your way to work, how do you usually feel?
Most mornings, I feel positive. I think about what I want to accomplish that day.
I like that way of thinking. I usually tell myself, today is a new day.
That's a wonderful habit.
Even if yesterday wasn't perfect, every morning is a fresh start.
Exactly. A good morning routine isn't about being perfect
It's about creating good habits, little by little.
and finding a routine that works for you.
Everyone's morning is different.
Some people wake up early.
Some people wake up later.
Some people drink coffee.
Some people drink tea.
Some people exercise.
Others enjoy a quiet breakfast.
There's no perfect morning routine.
The best routine is the one that helps you feel happy, healthy, and ready for the day.
I completely agree. Before we finish, we have one question for everyone listening.
What's your morning routine?
What time do you wake up? What's the first thing you do?
Do you drink coffee or tea? Do you eat breakfast at home? Tell us your morning routine in English.
We'd love to read your comments. Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing your English every day. Remember, the more real conversations you listen to, the more naturally you'll speak English. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next episode.